Hi, I'm Mike from Pro Irrigation Training, and I'm here to bring you a review and how to use for the Toro Precision Spray Nozzle. I've been an irrigation technician for over 20 years, have owned 3 different companies, been in the field the entire time doing installation, service, maintenance, repair. And this is one of the main nozzle families that I keep on the truck. I keep like 3 different nozzle families, and this is one of them. And I'm going to tell you why I really like this product, and it's something that you should keep on your truck. Okay, this is a matched precipitation rate product at 1 inch per hour. So no matter the arc, the pattern, the radius that you get, and there's a number of different selections here, they're all going to have a precipitation rate of 1 inch per hour. And it generally accomplishes this at about 35% less water usage than all of the major nozzle families, right? So it's a very low flow product, and it can really fix some situations and help with some situations that I'll tell you about towards the end of this video. This nozzle comes in female and male configuration so that you can retrofit pretty much any manufacturer's spray body with this nozzle. It comes with just the standard configuration, but there's also an optional pressure compensating disc that you can get here, and that's indicated by the red Toro lettering on the nozzle. The regular ones are just the white lettering, and the PCD optional ones have the red lettering on that. And what's going on with this, it has a patented H2O chip technology. So unlike other spray nozzles to where the water is just coming straight out of orifices, what's happening with this one is actually the water is whipping back and forth to accomplish its pattern. And so it does a really great job on this. So we have a number of different choices in the arc or the spray pattern. And what we're talking about here, for instance, this is a 90-degree pattern, and then this is a 180-degree pattern or arc. And so the precision spray nozzles come in 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 360 degrees, and also it has the specialty nozzles of the left and right corner strip and also the side strip. So we have a number of different selections. So, and also we have selections as far as the radius or how far the water is going to throw. And these come in selections of 5 foot, 8 foot, 10, 12, and 15-foot radius. There's a 2-year warranty on this, and it has an operating pressure, a printed pressure range of between 20 and 75 psi, but the nozzle really works the best if you use it with some type of pressure compensating head or a pressure reducing stem for the spray head at a 35 or 40 psi. And that's when you get the best performance out of these, is when everything is basically, all of your heads are running at the same pressure rate so that you get the same performance out of everything. And some of the things that I really like to use this for is that if you have a zone that has slope and you really need to slow the precipitation rate down so that the water can soak into the slope before it slides off, this is a great head, one of the lowest precipitation rates that you're going to find, which is also great for clay soil or just rocky, hard soil that has a very slow infiltration rate. And you'll see this like when the irrigation system runs, if you see have a lot of water just sitting on top of the ground and taking a long time to infiltrate or percolate down into the ground, this is a great spray nozzle to come back in and retrofit that zone for. But also, we get called out a lot of times and we have the complaint is that, hey, I've got a spray zone that has low pressure. So you're thinking, well, maybe there's a leak or something somewhere on the zone, and you go out and start counting heads, and they put 10, 12, 14, 15 spray heads. And for a normal residential zone that's using a 1-inch pipe, you've got about 15 or 16 gallons per minute to work with here. And maybe it's been in a garden area and they just kept adding heads and kept adding heads. Well, before you know it, you've overextended the zone, and now you're demanding more flow than what that 1-inch pipe or whatever the situation is. You know, you've over demanded or overextended the zone. You can come back in with these knowing that they're generally at a 35% less usage, flow usage than other nozzles, and retrofit the whole zone over. And a lot of times it brings it back in to the flow range that we need it to, and all of the heads pop up and look strong and spray good. So this is just something that we keep on the truck for repair situations, and it really works out great for us. And I think you really enjoy this nozzle.